part of the jacket challenge that I had that I kind of aborted. But then I decided I wanted to do it anyways. This was supposed to be taking my jacket pattern and shortening it, kind of like a Tom Brownish effect. And I have the jacket shorter, which is kind of cool, but the sleeve should match the hem of the garment. So I'm going to reestablish the sleeve by shortening it more. And I already took so much out of this section that I've cut close to the bicep area here, not the bicep area itself, but a little bit below that, and then took that extra inch out.
I cannot stand the way you look at me. You got me reaching for something more. And please forgive me, I can hardly breathe. And now you got me painting roses on the bedroom.
What are you doing up there? Sometime in January, I did a jacket challenge. And I was trying to get you guys to try to experiment with my base jacket pattern, which I have on my website and that I've had many videos about. And so I aborted that actual challenge because no one was willing to do it. You guys thought it was too hard, or you don't want to do a jacket. I don't know what the story is, but I already cut out the jacket and I just did a considerably small change, which is just to shorten the jacket as an inspiration of a Tom Brown-ish type of jacket. And I didn't want it to go to waste, so I'm actually finishing it up so that I can make it part of my photo shoot that is coming soon. So I really didn't film my process of making this because I just wanted to get it done. I'm trying to get this photo shoot done. So I just kind of worked on it. I have a few videos on it, but we're almost there. And it is an online jacket, but I lined the sleeves only. So we're almost done. And then I get to shoot this with all of my other pieces. And that's what's more important right now. So getting my pattern, playing around with it, you can get a totally different look. And that was the whole idea of the jacket challenge. So hopefully you'll get inspired to do it now, after the fact.
In this club, babe, all night long. You've been sitting over there, staring at me like something wrong. I heard you holler, bag it up, and you gave me that sexy smile. Baby, you sure look good to me. And I like your style. If I bag it up, what you gonna do? If I put it on you, baby, what you gonna do? If I bag it up, what you gonna do? If I put it on you, baby, what you gonna do? Baby, you're more than welcome Show me what you're working with. Show me